Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to the next Femite video tutorial. Now, for this episode, guys, I'm gonna tell you what you can do with 50 megabytes in terms of internet speed. I'm just doing a speed test. I'm getting 57 right there, as you can actually see. Now, whenever you're doing speed tests, it is best to do like three different speed tests. But I would have been doing a lot of speed tests, so basically, I have an idea in terms of how much um, megabytes per second I'm actually getting. Now, what I would have actually done, I would have actually joined two different internet connections by using what is called a load balancer. I would have, of course, done a video showing you how to actually connect that load balancer. So yes, guys. So what can you do with 50 megabytes of internet speed? Now, what I've done, I've actually gone ahead, start a small ISP. So just being a small internet service provider with just a little bit above 50 megabytes per second in terms of internet speed. Now, so there's no way actually gonna use up 50 megs in terms of internet speed unless I'm actually doing a lot of downloading large files, and I'm basically not doing that. So again, guys, that's what you can do with 50 megabytes in terms of data. Just giving you an idea in terms of my network. Just gonna log into one of my device. Now this device have about five client in terms of connections. As you can see, five right there. So five different client in terms of connection. So presently on this 50 megabytes in terms of data, I think I have about 15 persons connected to my network. So distributing the internet by using a mixture of Ubiquiti and TP link access points. Now, a lot of persons will say that they actually go for Ubiquiti, but I realize that TP links give you, I mean, pretty much in comparison to Ubiquiti, good functionality, good service in terms of their devices, and they're way cheaper. So for starter, I'm just using a mixture of TP Link and Ubiquiti. I mean, as times goes by, I will definitely use straight Ubiquiti in terms of my access points and my client devices. So I'm just checking the usage of this user. Now it is now early in the morning, just 5:30 in the morning. So definitely I don't have a lot of bandwidth being used up at this time. But again, guys, this video just basically show you what to do with 50 megabytes in terms of internet speed. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Again, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course, share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.